Students, today we are gonna learn about places of worship. Let's start. Please like, share and subscribe. Temple. Temple. Hindus worship in temple. Church. Church. Christian worship in church. Mosque. Mosque. Muslim worship in a mosque. Gurdwara. Gurudwara. Sikhs worship in a Gurudwara. Shinto. Shinto. Japanese people worship in a Shinto. Dian. 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 Taoism people worship in a Dian. Basdai. Basdia. Jains worship in a Basdia. Now let's ask you some questions. Lord Ram is god of which religion? Quran is which religion book? Which religious place is this? Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.